Hi everyone! So, nag-order po ako ng Lolo Ed's Bistec from Chef Gino, Sundays by Daddy Chef. So, ito yung bago niyang menu ngayon. And then, he told me na I should eat the bistec with the chips. So, first, yung rice muna, yung garlic rice. So, natin ang garlic rice. Tapos, yung bistec. And then, onions. Yung good size lang. Onions. Lagyan natin ng konting sauce. Tapos yung chips. Ay, maliit lang. So, there you go. Perfect. Ooh, look at that. So, I have the garlic rice. Tapos yung bistec. Onions, tapos Lay's potato chips. First time. So, try natin. Wow, it's so good. So guys, try nyo na rin. Friends here in Toronto, order na kayo. Try nyo. Grabe, masarap pala yung may potato chips. So, bye!